Unit 1. At a coffee shop. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like regular coffee or something else?
What other options do you have?
We have espresso, cappuccino, latte, and americano.
What is a latte?
A latte is made with espresso and steamed milk. It's very creamy.
That sounds good. I'll have a latte, please.
Great choice. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Would you like any flavor in your latte? We have vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut.
I'll go with vanilla.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
It's $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your latte will be ready soon. Here is your vanilla latte. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Unit 2. At the supermarket.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need help with?
I'm looking for the dairy section.
It's right over there, next to the produce section.
Thank you. I also need to find some bread. Where is it?
The bread is in aisle 3.
Great. And where can I find the cleaning supplies?
Cleaning supplies are in aisle 7.
Thanks a lot. Do you have any organic vegetables?
Yes, we have a section for organic produce. It's next to the regular vegetables.
Perfect. One last question. Where are the canned goods?
They're in aisle 5.
You've been very helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know. Unit 3. At the doctor's office.
Good afternoon, Dr. Brown.
Good afternoon, Sarah. How are you feeling today?
I've been having a headache for the past few days.
I see. Have you experienced any other symptoms?
Yes, I've also been feeling very tired.
Have you been sleeping well?
Not really. I've had trouble sleeping.
Okay, let me check your blood pressure. Your blood pressure is a bit high. Do you have a lot of stress lately?
Yes, I've been very stressed at work.
That could be contributing to your headaches and fatigue. I recommend you try to relax and get more rest. Also, drink plenty of water.
I'll try that. Thank you, Dr. Brown.
If your symptoms don't improve in a week, please come back.
I will. Thank you.
Take care, Sarah. Unit 4. At a restaurant.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. How many people are in your party?
Just me.
Right this way, please. Here is your menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water and a lemonade, please.
Sure. I'll be right back with your drinks. Here are your water and lemonade. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll start with the Caesar salad, and for the main course I'll have the grilled salmon.
Would you like any sides with your salmon?
Yes, I'll have mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables.
Excellent choice. I'll get that order in for you right away. Here is your Caesar salad and grilled salmon with mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll be right back with it. Here is your bill. You can pay at the front desk when you're ready.
Thank you. The food was delicious.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Have a great evening.
You too. Unit 5 at a hotel.
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Jane Smith.
Let me check. Yes, I see your reservation. You'll be staying with us for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Could I please see your ID and a credit card for the incidentals?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Here is your room key. You'll be in room 405 on the 4th floor. The elevator is to your left.
Thank you. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining area on the 1st floor.
Great. And is there a fitness center in the hotel?
Yes, it's on the 2nd floor and it's open 24 hours.
Perfect. One more question. Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, we do. The network name is Hotel Guest, and the password is written on the key card holder.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay, Ms. Smith.
Unit 6 at a park. Hi there. Can you tell me where the hiking trails start?
Sure. The main trailhead is just past the visitor center. You can't miss it.
Great. Are there any trails you recommend for beginners?
Yes, the Blue Trail is perfect for beginners. It's about 2 miles long and fairly easy.
That sounds good. Are there any places to get water along the trail?
There are a few water stations along the Blue Trail. Just look for the signs.
Thanks. And are there any restrooms nearby?
Yes, there are restrooms at the visitor center and at the beginning of the Blue Trail.
Perfect. I'm also interested in seeing some wildlife. Any tips?
The best times to see wildlife are early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Keep an eye out near the streams and open fields.
I'll do that. Thanks for all the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your hike.
Unit 7 at a library.
Excuse me, can you help me find some books on history?
Of course. What specific topic in history are you looking for?
I'm interested in World War II.
We have a great selection of books on World War II. They're in the history section, which is on the 2nd floor.
Thank you. Do you have any recommendations for good books on this topic?
The Second World War by Antony Beevor and Band of Brothers by Stephen E. Ambrose are both excellent choices.
I'll look for those. Also, do you have any audiobooks?
Yes, we do. Our audiobooks are on the 1st floor near the entrance. You can also check out digital audiobooks through our library app.
Great. How long can I borrow the books for?
You can borrow books for 3 weeks. If you need more time, you can renew them online or here at the library.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Unit 8 at the airport. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for Delta Airlines?
The Delta check-in counter is in Terminal 2. Just follow the signs.
Thank you. How early should I arrive before my flight?
It's best to arrive at least 2 hours before a domestic flight and 3 hours before an international flight.
Got it. And where can I find the security checkpoint?
After you check in, follow the signs to the security checkpoint. It's right past the ticket counters.
Thanks. One more question. Where is the baggage claim area?
The baggage claim is on the lower level of each terminal. Just follow the signs when you arrive.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Unit 9 at a clothing store.
Hi. Can you help me find a dress for a wedding?
Of course. What kind of dress are you looking for?
Something elegant but not too formal. Maybe knee length.
We have a lovely selection of dresses over here. Let me show you.
I like this one. Do you have it in a size 8?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where are the fitting rooms?
The fitting rooms are at the back of the store.
I love it. I'll take it.
Great choice. Would you like to look at some accessories to go with it?
Sure, why not? I'll take these earrings. How much is everything?
The dress is $80, and the earrings are $15. Your total is $95.
Here is my credit card.
Thank you. Have a wonderful time at the wedding.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Unit 10. At a gym. Hi, I'm new here. Can you show me around?
Absolutely. Let's start with the cardio area. We have treadmills, ellipticals, and bikes.
Nice. Do you have a weightlifting area?
Yes, it's right over here. We have free weights, machines, and a squat rack.
Great. Do you offer any fitness classes?
Yes, we have yoga, spin, and aerobics classes. The schedule is posted on our website and at the front desk.
That sounds good. Is there a swimming pool?
Yes, we have an indoor pool and a hot tub.
Awesome. How do I sign up for a personal trainer?
You can sign up at the front desk or online. We have several trainers available, and you can choose the one that fits your needs.
Thank you for the tour. I'm looking forward to working out here.
You're welcome. If you have any questions, just let us know.